Hey there, welcome back to our channel Fast Decor. If you are planning to reclaim your kitchen or just looking to some fresh ideas to make it stylish and functional, you are rather in the right place. In today's video, we are diving into the top kitchen design ideas that can be trending in 2025. So let's get started. First up, modern minimalistic kitchens all off the range. Think stick cabinets with the handle-less designs, natural color patterns like white, gray, bricks, and integrate applications. Minimalistic does not mean boring. It's add a pop of color with vibrant bar stools or texture backsplash to kitchen to make stand out. Next, open shelving is the best, making a big comeback. It's a great way to display your vanity dishware, plants, or even cookbooks. Just make sure they keep it ready. If you are worried about dust, combine open shelves with the few closest combinates with the best bold words. And incorporative technology is a must have 2025. From smart refrigerator to activated lights and lathering, touch is here to make a life easily you can kitchen more aesthetic. Plus, it's a great conversation starting when your guest visit. A quick way to elevate your kitchen with the statement lighting, organized painted lights, geometric candles, or even LED stripes under cabinets can be added touch of luxury to make it space free and more interesting. Kitchen islands are the most visibly than over. Add extra storage in the build of stokes and even a breakfast bar. If you're a tired of space, open the move it Iceland can be make a tuck of away when you're not in a use. So spaciously is not a trend, it's a future. Go eco-friendly material like bamboo and reclaim wood to complete cabinetry and energy effective applications and water saving plots can be help reduce carbon footwear while it's safe building. So which design ideas was inspire you most? Let us know in the comment below, and if you enjoy this video, do not give it a thumbs up, forget and share this video with your friends, then you never miss the latest design and ideas. And hit that subscribe button for more home decor inspirations, and also hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest update from us. And we will see you in next time in next video. Keep decorating and styling your dream houses with these interesting decor items and in this interesting home furniture. And if you want to more inspiration ideas, go with the channel and explore some more ideas and this regarding and other home decor items. Thanks for watching us today, and we will see you in next time.